Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to a live tutorial on how to report an inappropriate live stream. First things first, if you guys just want to leave a like and comment down below for me for the algorithm, then I'd really appreciate it. And then the next thing that you're going to want to go ahead and do is let's say I go to my home screen and I just go to any sort of live. So let's say I'm watching this live right here, right? If I wanted to report it, on the bottom of my screen, I'd click this share button. Oh, I pressed the wrong thing. I click the share button, and then as you'll see in the middle here, it says report. So now just go ahead and press report, wait for this to load, and then I can choose what I want to report the live for. If there's multiple accounts, you choose the account, and then you can choose what the inappropriate thing was. See, and she was just swearing, but I think I have my desktop audio turned off for the video, so you guys could hear what she was saying. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, make sure to leave them down below. But other than that, it's been a TikTok tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.